Hey guys, so this is my 2016 Nissan Versa. As you can see here, I've had it about a year. It's in pretty good condition. It is the SV version. It does really good. I do get really good gas mileage where I live. I get roughly about 35 to 38 miles per gallon. But as you can see over here, right here, I was in a minor accident a couple of weeks ago. Somebody did sideswipe me and there's damage all the way down through here. It scuffed it up, put a dent in it. It scuffed up my wheel as well. And my front bumper is also dented. I mean, not dented, it is scratched up. The headlight assembly has been busted. The headlight itself was blown. I did replace it, but I was looking on YouTube and there's not a lot of videos on how to replace the light bulb. I mean the headlight bulb. So let me get you all a real quick video on how to do that. Obviously, and some of you all don't even know how to even pop your hood. So right here you have two hood latches. You have two latches. One is clearly for your gas, and the other one is your hood. Simply pull it. Now once you pull it, about center, right above the Nissan sign, if you just come straight up, put your hand in the gap right here and slide to the left and pull up. It's kind of hard to do with just one hand. It releases your hood, and your hood latch to hold it up, if you're standing outside, is over here on your left. So just like so. So let me back up and put you guys on a tripod. Give me just a moment. Again, this is how to replace the driver's side headlight bulb. It's really easy to do. So let me get you guys up and on the tripod, or I may just even hold it, I'm not sure. You know what, to save time, I'm just going to hold it. So once you have your hood popped, right over here, see if I can get you all zoomed in, is your headlight assembly right there. Okay, there is a cover. Sorry guys, but the shakiness of the phone. Trying to zoom in right here. Just follow those wires right here. Follow these wires. And there's a cap. And you simply pop it off. And sometimes it'll be easy, sometimes it won't. But this is what you're unplugging. It's not going to zoom or focus, I should say. That's all it is. Once you pop that off, it's really hard to see, and I apologize, I'm losing daylight. You have this bushing right here, this black bushing right here. Only thing you do, and it will be stubborn, I promise, is pop that off like so. Again, that's just a rubber bushing, and it exposes your headlight bulb. These two little prongs right here, the only thing you do is push down you squeeze them in and you push down, and it releases down and out, releases. You pull your bulb out, replace it, come back to these prongs. Again, you'll push down and in, down and in, and that secures your headlight bulb. Take your rubber bushing, Put it back on. This can be really stubborn to get back on. And then you reconnect this connector, and there you go. That is all you have to do to replace your headlight bulb.